whatever time you're catching this video. I just hope that you're doing well. We're finally here. It is a bittersweet moment because we are here at the final episode of the season 3. I've been procrastinating doing this video because it's the last episode of the season, and it's just like, oh. It's been so fun actually doing these reviews and actually recapping with you guys. I want to thank you guys for your support. I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you guys for watching it on Vimeo.com/ondemand/Bondage S3. I want to thank you guys also for watching it on YouTube when it was available on YouTube. The fans are totally worth it, totally awesome every time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, IsRightPicks, for more wonderful content. Don't have to end our relationship here. It's just sad that this is the end of Bondage season 3, and it's like it just feels like yesterday we had only just begun, and now we're here. Needless to say, I do have to give my disclaimers, but I'm just gonna pick a clip from a previous episode because I just want to go ahead and get into it. Just so you know, roll the clip. Spoilers. Cussing, fussing, sipping, smoke, incense. It's incense. It's incense. Come on now. Come on now. We're not going to keep going back and forth. And so you know that this is an adult show, correct? You do know that your kids don't need to be in here, right? Right? So if you're looking at this on your phone, turn the volume down because I'm going to be cussing. There's going to be some screaming. It may be some I don't know what you're finna see on this episode. Yeah, so I think we could go ahead and just get into the episode. What you think? Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, so what does that mean?
That means, Mr. Maurice Bonner, you're free to go.
But I'm a person of interest. They had it drawn to me on the news.
No, that's because Little Nolan described you as the last person to see her husband alive. But we now know that was a motherfucking lie.
When they tell you you good, you free to go, the only thing you need to be saying or expressing is, look at God. Get your ass up and leave the station while you can. Get while the getting's good. You know what I'm saying? I don't need no lawyer, nothing like that. You're free to go. Okay, all right, bye-bye, smooches. And I'm gone. I'm gone.
Look, Mr. Bonner, just know that you're no longer a suspect. You're a free man. You're free to go.
Get up. Get up. Get up. Yeah. Get on out. Get on out of there. Shoo shoo. If he'd have looked through that glass window, I would have been over it. Get out the station. Dang. All the episodes start with D.
Hello, Lorenzo. Today's the day. We're ready to do business with you. Are you ready?
Speaking of, this chick has been missing in action through all the murder that's been going on. But she has been present for that D.
Excellent. Then we'll meet at your office. I trust that it's secure.
Absolutely. I'll be right here waiting.
Of course you will.
Everything that I've done, everything that I will continue to do, it's for us. It's for you.
Is popping the Facebook pills for us as well? I'm just curious. Is fucking the new plug for us as well? That might actually be for us because she might be able to give a discount. Yeah, we should be able to. He should be able to get something off the top. You know, he done slung some D. And she done got some of his chick as well. I'm just saying, was that part of us?
Got you, bro.
You got me,
Know
though.
that, right?
Yeah,
He got you.
I know. We family.
Mm-hmm.
We all we got, right?
Mm. This won't end well. No, 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 no. Oh, Lord. Down on my luck. Back against the wind.
Thank you for coming.
That's what she said.
Of course. How are you? Well, it's gonna sound real foolish, but I actually feel pretty good. You know? Like I'm at peace.
Doesn't sound foolish at all. Especially after what Paul did to you.
Not to mention, it looks about like she has been to a spa. They were able to allow her to leave her lashes as well as her wig cap. They didn't allow Tasha to do that on Power. They took Tasha's wig cap, her wig, and her lashes. I thought that was just real raw dog. Jail is jail. I'm getting that she's in the same jail that Victor Newman be in when he go to jail. She in jail in Genoa City. It just so happens to be located in wherever they are.
Can you please forgive me?
Forgive you.
And you deserve a sorry. She deserves a sorry.
Thank you, Jay.
At least you're getting that. A shower curtain. Oh, there's a shower curtain, y'all.
Cantador efectivo.
What the fuck she said?
Don't even worry about it. Just know we in there.
She said,
So what's up, bro? You got the cash, man. Get the product. Here you go, young blood.
That's promise.
Hell yeah, man. About to change the game with this, bro. We in there.
if you don't snort or chew it up.
Freeze!
Oh.
You're under arrest. Get down. Get your hands up.
Oh, the sheriff finally came.
Get down! Get your hands up!
He
Hey!
finally came on time for something.
Fuck.
Don't play with me today, goddammit. Get down.
It's rough out here in these streets. Lord.
Thank you for coming.
Why the hell am I here, Anita?
Exactly.
I wanted to apologize to you
No
for all the
daylight.
things I did to you and Jackie.
No friends to visit me. No hope for freedom. No hope for me.
And we can possibly get more on him after we listen to all the audio from your wire recording. It's a good job.
Thanks. I just did what I needed to do.
I know it wasn't easy for you. He is your brother.
My brother been dead to me a long time ago.
Oh,
It's made your job that much easier.
And let me warn you. This could get a little too personal for you.
He been an informant this whole time.
Who is it?
The fuck?
Whoa, whoa! The fuck?
Jamal?
What's good, big bro?
It's the whole mode
Thanks
in the
again.
organization.
Have a nice life.
I did what you told me to do. Kill my husband and go to the police. And describe Maurice Bonds so he will be framed for murder.
This nigga here. Him still
I
alive.
did what you told me to do. Kill my husband and go to the police. And describe Maurice Bonds so he will be framed for murder.
You didn't have to keep fucking him. I gave you one job.
You didn't have to keep fucking
I
him.
paid your ass cash to do one fucking job. Oh shit. Your ass don't win cop feelings for this motherfucker.
Look, I don't see the need of doing this anymore. Okay?
And that, my dear, is the motherfucking problem.
Ain't nobody heard these gunshots. Nowhere. Ain't nobody even thought, where these gunshots coming from? He ain't used no pillar for this one. And he legit sent it. I'm confused.
And that, my dear, is the motherfucking problem.
Who the hell are you?
Right. Come on, Joe. What type of shit is this?
Yeah. Finding out the only reason you're on this earth is because your sperm donor raped your mother is, yeah. No wonder I'm so screwed up.
I'm sorry.
Ain't your fault.
Me too. Which makes my decision that much easier.
Decision.
Yeah. I'm moving to New York. I came to tell you goodbye.
Wow.
You sorry motherfucker. You said that if I had that bastard kid of yours, you leave that bitch and be with me.
I'm sorry, Pauletta. I can't do it.
Sorry. Damn right you are. Lorenzo, clean that shit up.
Lorenzo. I know you ain't talking to this child right here. Child. Sissy. So quick to pick up a gun.
Rest in peace.
Now, wait a minute. Your mammy was the one who killed your pappy. Your mammy. Your brother ain't do that. Your brother barely had enough body to clean up the body. But I see he been cleaning up bodies since he looked like he was 12. Like that child was a whole preteen. A preteen. I know it's while I'm showering. Oh, that commotion. Ease on out there. Ease out there. don't know. I don't know. You been there. Yo. Your boy had a gun compartment gun. Your boy had a gun compartment just in the hot tub where the jets were. Gun compartment. Oh shit. Oh shit. You gonna do this? So you gonna do this? While I'm showering? While I'm washing my ass? I'm gonna give you what you want. I'm gonna give you what you want. Just let me reach up in this tub and let the water out, though I wasn't even in the tub. Gun compartment. That's what he did. All that commotion, just leave something on the bed. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. What?
I gotta know the truth, Laretha. Is Bond my son?
Honestly, I don't know, Sean.
Laretha! The mother of secrets. Miss Laretha, honey. Every season. Jordan got it down.
Tell your mom I said hello.
Oh Lord. Oh! He dreaming. Joe just walked up in there smooth.
I'ma wake up any minute now. Damn.
What?
Bang bang, he shot me down. Bang bang, I hit the ground. Bang bang, let off his son to shoot him down.
Wow. So you really gonna minister society us? You sneaky mother. So you really just gonna kill Bond off on Bondage? I don't know how to feel. I really don't. Well, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in this season. Thanks for tuning in to this episode. Wow, I need a drink. Well, I hope you truly enjoyed season 3 of Bondage. I hope that you take the time to digest it like I did. I hope that you go back and watch it again. I hope you watch the entire series, because the entire series is just beyond dope. Thank you so much for rocking with us, becoming fans, becoming supporters. I thank you so much for watching these reviews. Go ahead, tap that button, and maybe on this side and maybe on this side. I have no idea. It's on one of these sides. Go ahead and tap that button. Go ahead and subscribe to I Is Right Pictures for wonderful content that is coming out real soon. I want to thank Victory Productions Network for the opportunity to play Roxanne. It's truly been fun. She was fun to play. I want to thank Carlton Clay. I want to thank Nelson J. Davis. I want to thank Film Architects. I want to thank the whole cast of Bondage for being the phenomenal cast that they are, because wow, y'all have really made it a magical journey, a magical show to watch. I mean, just, it's an incredible piece of art. that is going to resonate with me for the rest of my life. I want to thank you guys, every last one of you who has a hand in that, is a part of that. So I want to thank you guys so much for that. Remember to stay safe. Practice social distancing. We are still in quarantine. Just because it's open doesn't mean that you have to go out. Remain vigilant. Remain safe. Wash your hands. Wash your ass. Use your hand sanitizers. Things like that. Wear your mask. Just think of everybody, you know what I'm saying? We'll get through this together. Just so you know. And I am spent. I'm tired. I'm going to go ahead and get on out of here. But I thank you guys so much. Go ahead and subscribe. Y'all stay safe.